The Atlas Post. It's official. The Small Business Administration's Payment Protection Program extension has now been signed into law as of earlier today, July 4th. The PPP will remain open to applications through August 8th. The previous deadline was June 30th, and at the time of the program's closure, there was more than $130 billion left in allocated funds, which were still unused. When Fed Chair Powell and Secretary of State Mnuchin spoke before Congress, they discussed about how to get the funds to the smaller, hardest hit businesses to tap into the second round of aid. Negotiations are still underway. The Payment Protection Program is part of the CARESAct, the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act that was intended to provide economic relief to small businesses that were adversely impacted during the coronavirus disease emergency declaration of March 13th, 2020. The PPP Flexibility Act signed into law on June 5th and gave greater flexibility on how the funds could be used other than payroll expenses. Initially funded for $349 billion, it went quickly, but round 2 of the PPP added another $310 billion in April. More than 4.8 million small business owners have tapped more than $520 billion in potentially forgivable loans through the program, which means there's still about $130 billion left of the program, which still remains eligible for businesses. Now, this is so new that when you go to, first of all, when you go to the SBA website, or the Small Business Administration, which is sba.gov, when you go to their website, I even had some challenges on finding the Paycheck Protection Program, which is still there. The information is so new that it still says deadline to apply for PPP has passed. So that we expect to go ahead and get updated just as soon as we can. But if you are looking online at some of the fintech locations, go ahead and do your loans there. Apply there. We will update you as soon as we have more information. And I'm Joy Atlas, and I've been creating videos to update and help you get loans, unemployment, and other helpful tips regarding your finances. I would love some coffee to keep me up late at night, or even during the day to keep me going. You can also catch me on Patreon for the Atlas Post. Info, of course, is available in the video description. You can also help us out by sharing our videos, liking them, making comments, checking out our playlist, and subscribing for the latest updates. Tap into your news with the Atlas Post. Have a joyful day. Happy 4th of July weekend. Enjoy the fireworks.